So there are a lot of great myofascial release or trigger point release tools out there, but honestly, my favorite one is a tennis ball. It's simple, it's affordable, although everything's expensive nowadays, but it's more affordable than most of the other tools you can use. It may be less effective than some other tools, but it's a good thing to start off with, because one of the things I've noticed is that some people will spend a lot of money on these fancy tools and never use them. If you start with something simple and you find that you use it quite frequently, then there you go, start with that and then maybe replace it with something else. So one of the techniques I like to use with my ball is a trigger point release technique for your muscle here called the tensor fascia latae muscle, or TFL. So this muscle here has a tendency to get really tight in people who do things like cycling or running, where you're in that sagittal plane. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a trigger point release technique for that to help release some tension that we may have going down the leg, or maybe even some pain that we have going down the leg. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the ball, you're going to find the pointy spot on your pelvis, go down a couple inches, then maybe back an inch or two. So I'll show you. So find the pointy spot, go down to the side a little bit, and then you're going to melt yourself over it. And you will know when you find it. I actually feel it radiating down my leg a little bit in a hurt so good way. So once you find that spot, just park the car there, let it ride, let it release. And then once it does, you can start to bend your knee and rotate your leg to work that tissue in different ranges. Once again, if you find a really tender spot, just park the car and let it ride.